Hello and welcome to this tutorial on dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is unique and is used to access its corresponding value. Dictionaries are created using curly braces or the dict function. For example, let's say we want to create a dictionary to store the capital cities of different countries. We can do this by creating a dictionary with country names as keys and their capital cities as values. Python. Capital city equals. We can access the values in the dictionary using their keys. For example, to access the capital city of Nepal, we can use the following code. Python. Print. We can also add new key-value pairs to the dictionary using square bracket notation. For example, to add Japan and its capital city Tokyo to our dictionary, we can use the following code. Python. Capital city equals Tokyo. Dictionaries also have several built-in methods that allow us to perform various operations on them. For example, we can use the items method to view all the key-value pairs in the dictionary. Python. Print. That's it for this tutorial on dictionaries in Python. I hope you found it helpful.